Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add more than the maximum overlay on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add this video here, and I'm also going to just delete the green screen right here, just to delete it, I guess. But I want to add in some overlays, like a lot on top of that. So I'm just going to start adding some overlays. It's going to be super random. I'm just going to add some stuff first on top of the video. And then, for instance, you've reached your maximum overlay. I don't think I have, or I don't think there's a limit to it that much now. But if your app still has a limit on how much overlays you can add, you can just select your overlays. Make sure you edit them first. Right click and then select create compound clip to clip it as one. It's like overlaying it, and you can't see it because I didn't blend anything, but you will be able to see all of your overlays in this compound clip right here, but you cannot unfortunately edit that again. So make sure you've edited everything, and then you can make it as a compound clip to be the overlay, I guess. That's it. That's how you can add more than the maximum overlay on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!